In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view historical price data on CoinGecko. If you want to understand how a cryptocurrency has performed over days, months, or even years, CoinGecko gives you the tools in one place, and I'll walk you through exactly where to find them and how to read what you see. Start by opening CoinGecko and searching for the coin you're interested in. Type the name into the search bar, select it from the results, and you'll land on the coin's overview page. This page includes the main price chart, which is where most of your historical insights begin. Scroll to the price chart and choose the time frame that matches what you want to study. Select 24H to see very recent movement, 7D or 14D for short-term trends, 30D or 90D for a mid-term view, 1Y for a long-term perspective, and Max to see the coin's full recorded history. Switching these ranges is the fastest way to understand how the price has changed over time and to place today's moves in context. To get precise numbers for a specific day, interact directly with the chart. On desktop, hover your mouse over the line. On mobile, tap and drag across the chart. A tooltip will display the exact price for that date, and you'll also see the market cap and trading volume from that moment. Market cap helps you gauge the overall size of the asset, while volume shows how actively it was traded, which can confirm whether a move was backed by strong participation. For exact figures in a list format, scroll further down to find the historical data table. Here you'll see the date, closing price, market cap, and trading volume presented clearly. This is especially helpful if you prefer reading data day by day or need precise numbers for notes or analysis. If you want to work with the data yourself, you can export it as a CSV file and open it in Excel or Google Sheets. This makes it easy to build charts, track trends over time, and create basic reports. As you review historical data, look for overall trends, understand that crypto often moves in cycles, and keep an eye on volatility, since big swings can signal higher risk. Avoid common mistakes like only checking the recent price, ignoring longer-term views such as 1Y or Max, or forgetting to consider broader market conditions. For better insight, use the Max view to see the full story, evaluate price alongside volume, and compare multiple coins by reviewing their individual pages. Quick recap. Open the coin page and view the chart, change the time frame to see history, hover or drag to get exact past prices, and use the historical data table for detailed numbers.